Wow, look at that. All right, everyone, now that I got your attention, we're at the airport, and you guys saw the reaction that my wife had when she found out that I booked another trip. It's pretty horrible. I was pretty upset about it, but now we have her calm after a day after she found out, and we're actually at the airport. So how do you feel now that the honeymoon is going to continue and you finally found out where we're going to?
I am beyond ecstatic. Beyond ecstatic. I've always wanted to go to Las Vegas, so I'm excited to see everything that I'm gonna see out there. I've seen pictures, but I bet in person is a lot better. So thank you, baby.
Very delayed reaction, if you ask me.
No, wait. You guys know exactly what I went through yesterday. We got delayed. We had to stay in the plane for 1 hour extra after getting there. Then we had to wait another hour to get our luggage, and it was already 3 o'clock in the morning. That was not supposed to happen. And then he decides to tell me 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm livid.
You know, I'm just a guy full of surprises, you know? And who is to say that there might not be another surprise, you know? We'll have to wait and see, and we'll find out. So, signing out. Okay, and we are here, Las Vegas, Nevada. How do you feel?
I don't know what I feel. Excited. I definitely do feel like I'm in a different place. Like, I don't feel like I'm in Jersey, which I thought I would feel because it's a state, so we're still in the United States. But this is really cool.
Of course, and you haven't seen nothing yet, honey. I mean, we're just in the airport, McCarran International, but yeah, we will see some really cool stuff. See, as you can see, you know, they already have the slot machines for you. We don't gamble. We're not gonna waste our money on that, but oh, bathroom break.
Okay, so super late reaction, but I am freaking, oh my god, I'm freaking out. I am so happy. I'm in Vegas. Oh my gosh. And we rented out a Jeep Wrangler, and this is the first time I'm actually inside of a Jeep Wrangler, and I freaking love it. Like, there's a handlebar in the front of the car on the dashboard. You know it be getting crazy in here. So I'm excited. I'm excited.
All right, everyone, so it's about 4 in the morning and we finally got our room here at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. And we were put as a no-show for some reason. They wanted me to call them about the delay that we had in the airport in Newark. But worked out to our favor because the room that we booked, it's actually not ready for us yet. But they didn't want to leave us, you know, without a room, so they decided to give us a suite. So let me show you what the suite consists of. So as soon as you come in, that's the door. This is a bathroom, or a powder room if you want to call it that way. And then you get this living room, which is really nice. Now, let me show you what we can do here. There you go. And there you you go. You get the full view of Las Vegas. Look at that. Got the pool view there. Pretty impressive. All right, that's not all, because then we go to our room. Now, Mrs. Pagan, she's freshening up a bit. So this is what we got. And same thing. You can open this up and get beautiful views of the city. Absolutely amazing. Tinted windows, by the way, so nobody can see what's going on. So pretty awesome. Here we have my lovely lady. I'm taking a shower, but here is the other bathroom. Has the tub. You got some closets here. So pretty amazing, pretty awesome room. And kind of wish we could keep it the whole time, but you know, it is what it is. So, wifey was doing her makeup, and look, has a TV on the mirror. Pretty cool. Look at the size of the shower. And it has a little stool thing that I love. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good morning, my people, from Las Vegas. Got some adventures in store for today, so stay tuned. All right, we're gonna go get some breakfast. Alright, so my wife is really excited to be here. This is really her first experience here in Las Vegas. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Very, very hot already.
With my shades that my husband bought me.
They say that it's going to be around 108 degrees today, something like that. So, you know.
Look, it's the Eiffel Tower.
Yes, Eiffel Tower. I've been to the real one though.
Is it a lot bigger than that?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. But pretty cool. We're about to eat breakfast in egg slut. Switch it up, says it's pretty good. Has almost 5 stars, so let's see how it is. After 30 to 40 minutes, we finally got our food. And what do you think?
Very nice.
Well, let's see. I'm gonna try the sandwich. A little pricey. All this came out of 40 bucks. The bread is perfect. It's like flaky, soft. It's awesome. Sausage, egg, and cheese. Good stuff. We approve the egg slut. Down the rabbit hole. So a cool thing about Vegas is that they have humongous shopping malls, casinos all in their hotels, and they all connect together. Look at this. This is called a chandelier. Really nice. And I think it's like a bar thing. Lounge, chill spot. There you go, the chandelier. So I'm just trying to show my wife around. Beautiful strip. It's already 101 over here in Vegas. It's rough.
Oh look, everybody.
Not a cloud in the sky.
Let's cross.
All right, everyone. So we are in Nevada, and we are about to see the Hoover Dam. So, if you want to check it out, follow me. Alright, so here is the Hoover Dam. Here's the Hoover Dam. Really cool stuff. If you touch this, you can fry an egg, and you can do skirt steak on this stone. It's about 108 over here. A little cooler than Las Vegas, so we're really happy about the drop in temperature here.
Well, the only reason why it's so hot is because you're outside, babe.
Ha. Spectacular. So, wifey has seen this on TikTok. Because of the heat, if you throw water, it'll push back up. So let's see. Wow, look at that.
Wow,
that's crazy.
You see the drop. You should have got the side. Look at the side. You see the water dripping out, but it's going back up.
So cool.
Yeah.
Very impressive.
Very impressive.
So this is Nevada time right here. And look at the water, man. The water's
Wow.
really nice.
Wow.
It looks like a great place to swim in right now.
I know, right?
Okay, so Hoover Dam, pretty nice, pretty impressive. Now we're gonna go check out Lake Meade and look at the beauty of it. Love this desert area. Okay, so now we got to Lake Meade. So let's check it out. All right, so leaving the Hoover Dam, Lake Meade area, now we are at 7 Magic Mountains. All right, so obviously this is a work of art. The sign that I just read behind me, it also says that there could be venomous snakes here and endangered turtles. So be careful. Be very careful here. Be vigilant, be aware, and stay in the path that they've made to the 7 Magic Mountains. You're pretty much in the desert, middle of nowhere. You got these things, really cool pictures, and got an amazing view of the desert here. Very hot though. Make sure you bring water. Stay hydrated. It's crazy out here.
Yeah, like I instantly felt my lips cracked when I walked out of the car.
All right, my beautiful people. So we were supposed to go to the pool, but we're pretty tired and a bit jet lagged. So we decided to do the tub, and there is my beautiful wife. Look at that. Now this tub, it does have the jets, so it feels amazing.
Let me turn it on.
And ooh, there it is. Feels so good. So, I think you guys already know what comes up next, so see you later. Alright, so after a long day of activities, we are now going to eat. We came to Caesar's Palace. We had to walk about 15 minutes or so. Bacchanal buffet. Hopefully I said that correctly. Hopefully I didn't butcher that, but we're gonna see how it is. Okay, so certainly a very pricey place. End up paying $80 a person. That's a lot of money. But looks like it's an amazing spot. Has seafood, different meats.
Wow.
So I'm taking advantage of it, and they're gonna probably have to kick me out of here because I'm gonna eat like a cow today. How we doing there? Good? So I got shrimp, lobster, rice beans. And I'm gonna go with the crab legs in a second. So let's try this. Alright, just discovered the Asian station. Really good stuff. And now my favorite of all, crab legs. Now for dessert, strawberry cheesecake gelato, Belgian chocolate gelato, banana pudding, tiramisu, caramel creme brulee. You got a crepe here with bananas. And what's that?
Salted caramel mousse.
Salted caramel mousse. Lord help me.